How to log out of Disney Plus on Smart TV. Welcome back to the channel, and let's start with the video. To log out of Disney Plus on your smart TV, make sure that the Disney Plus that you are currently using is up to date. And make sure that you have actually subscribed to your Disney Plus. Now tune in to your Disney Plus on your TV. When you are in your Disney Plus, in your left hand side you will see some of the icon, and at the bottom you will see a setting gear option. Tap on the setting gear option. Now in here your setting, you will see some of the option of app setting, account, help, legal, and log out. As we are trying to log out of our Disney Plus, just tap on the logout option. Once you tap on log out, you also have to add your password. This is the password of your Disney Plus. So enter your password and make sure to enter it correctly. If you have forgotten your password, don't worry, at the bottom you will see forgot password option and you can retrieve your password from here as well. Then just tap on log out. And just like that, you'll be able to log out of your Disney Plus on Smart TV. And it's a wrap for this video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.